makikita natin. Cute, purple, my favorite.
Samples, we have these sweet kamote chips, different flavors. We have
Tikman ko na nga.
pastillas,
Sarap.
mga scents, mga candles, linen sprays, accessories, lahat. Everything you need to find, meron yan sa pop-up.
Wow.
And it costs far more less than when you buy it in department stores or in the mall. Kasi ito, these are made by artisans or mga small business owners.
Wow.
So, the price is very competitive. Kumbaga, kung gusto mong makatipid and maramihan yung bibilin mo, you better go to pop-ups or mga bazaars.
Oo.
And the quality is really good.
Oo naman. And speaking of, masarap nga nito yung kamote chips na salt and vinegar. Tapos, dito, in a pack, like, let's say, example, for that one, parang 6 na yung flavor. How much is that?
Perfect for gifting. So, nag-range yung mga products in pop-ups. You know, you can buy as low as 50 pesos to not more than 500 pesos.
Wow.
So, 500 pesos mo, marami ka
Sana
nang
abot 500
mabibili.
mo sa souk pop-up.
Correct.
Maraming mabibili.
Marami.
Go ahead, Babu.
For example, that pastillas, it only cost 150 pesos.
Oh, wow.
So, di ba kung marami kang bibilan, you have hundreds of people on your list. Pagpunta ka ng bazaars or pop-ups, marami ka na mabibili.
Yung pinaka-come on niya sa akin is, ibibigay ko na as is.
Yes.
Hindi ko na kailangan mag-gift wrapper. Kasi,
Yes.
kasi add-on cost yun eh.
Saka panahon.
Oo.
Naka-stress pa. Ang maganda dito, bukod sa favorite color ko siya, no?
Oo.
Ito, totally reusable.
Yes.
Hindi siya yung type na itatapon mo kasi iba nakalagay sa, ano din, parang Tetra Pak na.
Oo.
Ang hirap i-reuse
Correct,
unless
correct.
gagawa ka ng eco-brick.
Yeah.
Ito, pwedeng lagyan ng mga toys,
Yes.
little stuff, whatever, basta you can reuse.
Yes.
This is what I love about your packaging. The fact na masarap din. ASMR.
Oo, yeah.
Kasi our
Really
brand owners really put an effort into thinking about their packaging. Kasi alam nila Pasko. So, they make sure na yung mga products nila are for gifting na, ready for gifting. So, sila na mismo yung nag-o-offer na, may free kami na box, may free kami na ribbons, or they insert the cards na they ask the
bibigay
customers kung, pang regalo ba to?
Oo.
Do you want to put it in a box already?
Imagine mo, may plain, may ketchup, chili barbecue, honey butter.
How much yung
I
ganito?
think their tubs range from 200 to 300. Kasi they have the
big ones, yeah.
tubs.
Pero it's two set.
This one,
Healthy pa yan.
yeah, I think it won't go as high as 500.
Sure ka?
Yes, yes.
6 na?
Yes, kasi
With a box?
mga taste lang naman sila mga
Sample.
samples.
Pero still, ang dami na nito, oh.
Yes.
Diba?
Tsaka ang ganda
Pwede
kasi
na.
maganda sa tree, di ba? Imagine mo, dahil
Yes.
bilhin ganyan.
Yes.
How can we,
Diba?
Yeah,
number sa
si
gilid.
And all those are made by small business owners.
Yeah, tsaka maganda kamote.
Yes.
Better than potatoes. Potatoes,
Yes.
magsaspike agad yung ano mo doon,
Correct.
diba? Right.
Souk Pop-Up, how many years have you been doing this?
1 year.
Wow! Wow!
One year
Yes,
pala.
yes. We're just
So,
doing
hindi
it for
siya
1 year.
permanent kasi pop-up eh.
It's not permanent, but we're doing it for weekly.
Ay,
on a weekly
oo,
basis. Parang when we
year.
started, parang it was just, the plan was, gawin lang natin to once a quarter.
Yeah.
Or a few events in a year.
Pero saan?
Pero nag-end up, every week na kami meron.
Saan to?
So, we're commonly in Estancia. So, halos every week we're in Estancia. And then, we're also in Green Hills and we'll have one in the 5th at Rockwell.
Wow!
Yeah, so, also Glorieta. So, yun yung mga common places kung
At least
saan
may
mahanap
south.
yung souk pop-up.
May question ako. Because what's this? Yung mga pop-up, right? They also sell online.
Correct.
How did you congregate all these small business owners? Syempre, given that of course you've been here for 1 year,
Yeah.
'di ba? Ano to, friends mo talaga sila?
No, we actually invited them one by one if they're interested to do a pop-up. So, syempre, when I started, I checked out kasi mahilig din ako pumunta ng mga bazaars.
Ay.
So, suking-suki talaga ako. Syempre, yung mga pioneers dyan, di ba? Ang dami na. So, I usually visit that. And yun, we noted those brands who join. Nilista namin. And then we communicated to them one by one. We invited them. And they're the same merchants who joined them naman talaga pop-ups. Kasi pop-ups is not for everyone. Kasi yung iba, parang may mga day jobs, hindi nila kayang mag-pop-up. Pero yung iba, they really make time. It's their side hustle.
Oo.
So, di ba, ang pop-up is for small or startups, small business owners, and mga may side hustles. So, that's why we only do it mga usually Friday to Sunday.
Wow.
Kasi, bukod sa Monday to Friday job nila, they do pop-ups Friday to Sunday naman.
Wow.
So, it's really a big thing if we support all the merchants or all the businesses in pop-ups.
Lalo na SMEs.
Yes.
And I can totally relate, kwento ko lang sa'yo. Kasi yung mom ko and I used to do bazaars.
Yes, nakapunta pa ako.
Diba? For 10 years.
World Trade.
Wow.
Celebrity and Charity Bazaar. Yes, World Trade. Yung wala pang demensya si mama. So, ganun siya kalakas. Kasi we started in Shopsville with 4 permanent pwestos, diba? And then we tried nga the bazaar. Kaya, for 10 years, kabisado ko yung ins and outs ng bazaars. From a small venue sa Rockwell, tent lang nun, ha?
Yeah.
Nag-World Trade Center kami for almost 10 years. So, sobrang profitable, yes. Kasi diba, World Trade Center, AB, tapos may tent pa, diba? Hanggang sa na-stress si mama. Kasi sobrang naman stressful, diba? Ang laki pa ng World Trade, diba?
Sobra.
Tapos may celebrities pa. We would give free puestos for the celebrities pa sa i-promote na nila.
Correct.
Wala pang Instagram nun, ha? Facebook lang nun. So, ang ganda kasi yung SMEs na hindi mo akalain na nag-exist nandun sila.
Yes.
Diba? Sobrang laki. Yun nga lang, when my mama had dementia, we had to stop. Kaya ang ganda that there are people like you, ayan, yung souk, meron kang mga ganito na every week na.
Every
Oh,
week.
ang ganda.
Kasi honestly, it's really stressful. It's a really stressful business. Pero, every time we have merchants or small businesses approach us na, oy, salamat for coming up with this. Or we earned a lot, we earned this much. Na parang even
Rewarding.
ako, you get to earn that much? Magtinda na lang din kaya ako. Minsan
Actually,
ganon.
why not? Ako rin, ginagawa ko rin yun eh.
Diba? Parang wow. You can earn pala as much as that 6 digits in a day.
Wow.
For merchant. So parang, magtinda na lang kaya ako kasi mag-organize. So parang it's heartwarming and it's fulfilling for us kasi hindi naman parang pwesto na kayo dyan na kayo. For us, when we hear feedbacks like, oy, this helped us, or we were able to hire people because of this business, masarap pakinggan kasi alam mo nakakatulong ka dun sa small businesses and you help them. Parang sa Rizal Row naman, the market there is mga younger entrepreneurs. So they're starting out their businesses. So it's nice to hear naman feedback from them na, oh, this is my first pop-up. I'm happy you're able to put this up kasi dito namin ilo-launch yung brand namin. We're testing out the market. So things like that make the day parang complete and it makes the work fulfilling. Nawawala yung stress.
Galing, no? Ang galing ng community. How big is the pop-up community in the Philippines right now?
Oh, 'di ba, there's a big number of MSMEs pero a big percentage of that join pop-ups kasi when we interview them parang minsan namamahalan sila sa rates
Pesto.
ng pop-up kasi parang in a day they have to pay this much. So they stop for a while and then they come back. When we ask them why, iba pa rin yung nabibring in na revenues when they do pop-ups versus just online. Kasi people, it's still valuable for customers to feel,
Maraming Pinoy.
taste.
Yeah,
Di ba gusto nila yung parang kung damit
Experiential,
yan,
immersive.
ay,
Correct,
nasusukat ko ba
Yeah.
yan? Or
Correct, kasha ba?
anong lasa niyan?
Yeah.
Or anong amoy niyan? Kung
True.
diffuser yan, anong amoy niyan?
True.
Anong scent niyan? Anong
Correct,
lasa niyan?
correct.
Bago ako bibili. And then, those people become their regulars na.
That's true.
So, yun na yung lagi na, oy, order ako ng kamote or order ako ng juice.
Yes.
Pang regalo ko, deliver na lang sa bahay ko.
Tsaka incubator of
Correct.
brands na
Perfect
later on,
term.
sila na yung magkakaroon ng ng malalaking store
Yes.
o nag-start sila sa'yo.
That's
wow.
also the reason why we partner with malls.
Yeah.
Because the same way as our vision, malls have this incubation projects like Ortigas Malls, SM Malls, na wherein they pick out small businesses or merchants from pop-ups and they incubate them parang tinutulungan nila to grow. That's why it's nice also that malls are having that initiative to partner with organizers wherein we gather the small businesses for them.
Guess what? I used to do bazaars sa Estancia.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And, pero celebrity bazaars, who are moms. So,
okay.
Makita doon na, wala ka pang
Wala
binibenta
pa.
yata noon. Pero in-invite kita dati for your plates.
Yes.
Pero nag-pandemic eh. So, puro mga artista to. Sila Zara Lopez, Chicks Alcala, Nene Tamayo, di ba meron siya mga tuyo, ganyan. So, lahat sila artista. So, sa Estancia yan. Ang problema lang doon, yung naging busy na yung mga artista, konti na lang yung pupunta. Kasi busy nagsushooting, nagte-taping. Kasi doon nakaangkla yung concept, di ba? Celebrity bazaar. So there was a time, wala kahit isang celebrity. Puro sales girls lang nila. Hinahanap sila ng mga fans. Pupunta doon, gusto ko makita si Aramina kasi gusto ko siya yung bibilan ko. Si Hazel. Cupcakes siya, di ba? Hazelberry. Busy si Ara, nagte-taping. Nandun lang siya 1 day in 3 days, ganun. But they try their best naman to go. Yun lang pala yung downside. Pag celebrity, hindi lagi sa lahat ng araw na andun. Meron lang silang window. 1 hour on this day, 2 hours on this day. Dapat pumunta yung fans sa time na nandun sila. So, ganyan, relate ako.
Correct.
And then pandemic happened. Lalong wala ng artistang
Oh
pumunta.
my gosh, yes.
Diba? So,
I think yung benefit ngayon sa mga pop-ups, it's very organic. Kasi hindi sila pumupunta doon because they want to see a show or they want to watch a concert or whatever. They're there to support.
Yeah.
So parang it's nice to have this community marketing within them kasi for example, this brand has a following and nag-promote siya.
Oo.
Yung ibang brands na bago or starting,
madadamay.
Uy,
Totoo yan.
wow. Uy, okay to
Lipat doon,
meron
tama.
pala nito.
Correct.
Ang ganda naman yan.
Wow.
Yeah.
And lahat yun, gawa nila.
Yes.
So parang,
And sorry to cut you there, no? And speaking of that, nagawa nila, ang daming may pastillas, may food, hindi lang food items na meron
yes,
ka.
madami talaga. Accessories, food, name it talaga. Even mga keychains,
Oh, wow.
leather, personalized leather goods.
So, suggestion mo yung mga, syempre, yung mga magandang i-check out sa souk this holidays?
Yep. Everyone is preparing their gift boxes.
Okay.
So, if naghahanap kayo talaga ng mag-gift nyo, across all ages,
Wow.
bata, matanda, mommies,
to,
titas, lahat, meron talaga.
So, tago kay
So,
Nadine.
even home and lifestyle,
Ay, galing,
meron.
Simoy ng Pasko.
So, lahat meron talaga.
Ganda,
Wow.
Simoy ng Pasko.
Hindi ba? Ang social ng packaging, you won't even think that it's from a
knowing me.
pop-up.
Wait lang.
Ang bango niya, kaya ako pa inaamoy,
Simoy ng Pasko. So,
Super.
talagang Christmas na Christmas. Even the scent. Galing na nakaisip nito,
Oo.
Isip niya talaga na very specific, yung scent. Yan.
Actually, kahit hindi
Ganda.
nga Pasko, gusto ko yung amoy na yan. Eh.
Yes.
Christmas smell. Yan,
Oo.
kung cinnamon, magkaning ganitong box?
Oh, that's 948.
Diba?
So, for the whole
Tatlo
thing
na,
na,
tatlo.
kasi diba, if you buy a candle sa
Oo,
mall,
one plus.
just kung mga 2,000 isang
Oo,
candle lang yun.
correct.
Yan, isang set na siya. At pag
Tas
niregalo
soy
mo
pa.
siya,
Spray by
parang
isa.
very special talaga.
Sobra. Ang bango ng simoy ng Pasko.
Sobra.
Imagine mo, inom mo to sa
Pasko,
Christmas
Pasko.
tree.
At alam mo, mga mommies like us, di ba? Ganyan na yung mga
Oo.
gusto natin natatanggap ngayon.
Correct. Si Mamu gusto yung cinnamon. Ako gusto ko ito mismo, yung pine.
Yes.
Fine.
Very fresh,
Ako
di
gusto
ba?
cinnamon, amoy galing sa
Tsaka ang
kitchen.
ganda na ang ganda na
bakery.
spray.
Packaging.
Maganda yung bato ng spray.
And even the packaging, talagang
Social.
pinag-isipan nila,
Social.
pinaghirapan nila.
Ganda.
Buti dumami na rin yung yung mga gumagawa ng ganitong klaseng packaging sa Pilipinas. Dati, isa lang yung supplier eh.
Correct. Talagang, aware sila na competitive na talaga ngayon yung market. So talagang ine-effortan nila yung pag-present nila ng product. So,
Correct.
ngayon pag pumunta ka ng pop-ups, talagang pagandahan sila. Kasi diba, remember,
Yeah.
during the bazaar days, bago mag-pandemic, parang, set up ka ng table, lagay mo paninda mo dyan, okay na. Ngayon, pagalingan sila, as in pagandahan sila ng mga backdrops, pagandahan sila ng packaging.
Dapat aesthetic.
Very aesthetic.
Wow.
So,
At speaking of aesthetic, tinan mo yung iced tea na to. Magkano to?
Oo, tingnan mo.
Oh, that's only 150 per bottle.
Wow.
And it's
Tatago mo yung
crafted
bottle.
tea.
Not only that, it's real tea, real fruits, and
No
stevia
sugar.
pa. No
Galing
sugar.
ka pala, the
lemon
good
kiwi.
poison.
Yes.
I-try natin. Ako i-try ko.
Super sarap siya.
Oh, correct.
Try natin.
That's one of
Babu, ikaw, what do you like?
personal
Ano ba yung
favorite.
ano ba yung
Talaga?
iba-ibang
What's your
flavors?
favorite
What
here?
are the flavors?
Mango lychee.
Oo, ito
Okay,
dalandan
ano pa?
pear.
Talaga.
Lemon ginger. Baka,
Ay,
ayan.
kailangan ko to.
Oo, lemon
Kailangan ko to.
ginger.
Lemon ginger.
Tsaka hindi siya nakaka-guilty. Hindi siya nakaka-guilty.
Medyo
It's so
painitin
good.
ko lang ha.
Yes.
Kasi kailangan sa akin na warm.
Kasi,
Oo
you
nga,
know,
Tsaka maganda tong pang regalo. Kasama na to.
yes, kunwari, this whole
Premium iced tea.
bag cost 1,000.
But ilan yan? Sa loob?
6.
Ah,
Parang
dami.
6 na, ganyan. Pero it's really, kumbaga yung mga merchants natin, they really know their target market. Kasi
Oo,
kunwari,
ganda.
this brand, frequent siya in Green Hills, in Rockwell, ganyan. And they know na maraming mga titas doon who are looking for healthier alternatives. Like, kunwari sa teas, hindi ka mag-guilty to drink it kasi hindi siya
Stevia.
ma-sugar,
Yes, stevia.
ganyan.
Panalo.
At ang ganda ng
Stevia.
package.
So, they really
Alam
know.
nila yung target market nila.
Yes, they really know.
Good tip.
Oo, at saka pag pumunta ka ng pop-up, so what's good there, nakakausap mo yung owners.
Oo. Totoo. Where it came
Dun
from,
sila tutok.
etc.
Yeah, and they're very passionate to tell about their business.
Story.
Oo, gustong-gusto nila yun.
How do you address the problem na, ito being in the bazaar, hindi naman tapos na pala yun. We were in the bazaar for more than 10 years. We had experiences lalo na dun sa World Trade na sa sobrang laki niya kasi, some would complain and ask for refund from my mom. Kasi bakit lahat daw nabebentahan? Sila hindi. So, balik natin sa kanya. Bakit nga ba lahat nabebentahan? Ikaw hindi. So, when we went to their booth, hindi pala nila kinereer yung display. Tapos wala yung mga
Grabe,
stocks.
common problem.
Wala yung mga stocks, di ba? So, katabi niya, ganda-ganda ng booth, talagang kinereer, ganyan-ganyan, aesthetic. Pagdating sa kanya, parang naka-fluorescent lang. So, they have to do something also. It's not just the item. If
I
you
think
don't market
before
it
you
well,
make them join, binibigyan mo na sila starter kit. Di ba? Na parang expectations.
alam, may mga pasaway. Hindi
Talaga?
sumusunod. Na-experience mo ba yun?
Yes, grabe. Kakakwento ko lang. As in,
Diba?
before we entered, nagkukwento ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, you know what, I think I need to revisit my plans for 2026 kasi last night lang, may nakausap ako. Nag-refund siya.
Yeah.
Can I pack up
Oo.
and give me back my money?
Oh, anong
sabi ko
reason?
sa kanya, sabi ko clearly, no. So, in-explain
No,
ko.
refund, tama.
Sabi ko, just think about it this way. Magagawa ko rin ba yan sa mall? Pag sinabi kong walang tao, balik niyo pera ko, di ba hindi? Sabi ko, we're all doing business here. Sabi ko, ang concerns niya, hindi daw napopromote ang event, enough, ganyan-ganyan, or siya daw, hindi nabibentahan.
Kumusta
Sabi
ba yung
ko-
product niya tsaka yung pwesto niya?
Hindi talaga, parang unlike others, siya talaga, oh here, try it,
Yeah.
taste it, ganyan, siya,
Nakaupo lang.
nakaupo.
See, walang people,
So sabi ko, it's a two-way thing.
Yeah,
Sabi ko,
tama.
we help you, you also help us. Hindi naman kasi as organizers, di ba?
Yeah.
Syempre, it's our responsibility to give them the guidelines, what we all have to do.
Correct.
This is the marketing that we all need to do collaboratively
Correct.
to help each other. Kasi hindi man pwedeng puro kami lang. Kasi ilan kayo? 50. Isa-isa kayo i-ads. We post them. Pero, sabi ko, dapat kayo din. You also
Yeah.
put an effort
Tama.
to promote your own products para yung followers nyo will also go.
That's
and
true.
also support the others. Kaso minsan, syempre, may mga... We're thankful, mas maraming merchants yung pinasok namin to eh. So, whatever it is, we know
Dapat
it's a
meron na,
risk.
may mga rule bago mag-sign.
Meron.
Meron. Pero talagang ano pa rin sila.
As in,
Yes,
consulted with lawyer, yung mga ganyan. Kasi
Oo,
ang dami.
naging problema namin yan.
Pero talagang, marami naman na parang, no, don't worry about us. We're okay, we're okay. Pinasok namin to, we're okay, ganyan. Meron yung iba na parang, they feel like, responsibilidad mo lahat. Kailangan mabentahan
Pero
kami.
ginawa namin to appease the yung kasi nga no refund eh. Sa next bazaar, binigyan na lang namin siya ng libreng 3 araw para makabawi siya. So the next year, alam niya nang gagawin niya. Ginandahan niya na talaga.
Correct.
Yung mga anak niya na
Nagbebenta na
nagbebenta
siya.
kasi anak niya na. Yung nagbebenta yung kaya
marunong.
Correct.
nakabawi na.
Correct. Totoo yan. Gagalaw ka rin.
Correct.
Gagalaw ka rin. Oo. But anyway, thank you so much, Miss Biko Castañeda
you.
ng Souk Pop-Up. Please invite everybody again to visit Souk Pop-Up. Where?
So this whole December will be at Estancia, at the Rizal Road, the one outside.
Yes.
So if you know the driveway in
Oo.
between Florabel and West
May
Elm, we'll be
Unimart?
there. Yes. So we'll be there on all weekends of December before Christmas. And also, we'll have our second anniversary summer fair next year on May at the 5th at Rockwell.
Wow.
So, to all aspiring merchants, gusto magsimula ng business, to those na gustong i-grow yung business nila, just message us, send us a message if you like to join, or if you are just a fan of pop-ups or bazaars, feel free to visit us. So entrance is free, and just enjoy the whole pop-up and support small businesses.
Yes, amen to that.